Hello, welcome back. So we'll continue our discussion about Captivate12 widgets, and here's the drag and drop widget. Pretty cool little toy here. Not complicated to set up for what you can do, especially compared to the old version of Captivate, which had this, but it was pretty crazy. Really simple and fun for students, informative for students. Some really good cognitive skills to do these things. So anyway, so let's look at what they are. So you've got 4 spots, 4 target areas where things can be dropped. You have some objects here which can be dropped. These are images. You could have images, text, whatever you like. And you drag something to a target, right? And you drag it, and you drag it, and you drag it. And that's what they do. When you're done, you submit that, and hopefully you got it right. And if not, it gives you feedback. You try again. Okay, you can reset it. So that's what they look like on the front line. So let's look at on the back end of what those are. So what I did was on the left-hand side of this learning toolbar, I scrolled down to widgets, and I scrolled through all these guys, and I found drag and drop. And I clicked on that, and up popped this block right here. And so several things we need to do immediately the first choice on this block is how many targets do you want? And the target number and the drag number don't have to be the same. Like you can have some wrong answers, right? And so you can have 5 targets and only 4 drag options, or even 3. It doesn't really matter. You're going to eventually tell it which, like for this guy right here, where that thing goes, and so it really doesn't matter about the other ones. They just won't be accurate. You'll be able to give it the truth table, right, of correctness. Anyway, so that's what you'll do first. Along with that, while you're here, there's a bunch of stuff on this screen. Anything you get rid of, do it, right? So as always, you can select which components show up and which don't. If you do not need it, please do not include it on there, right? Because it's a lot for the eye to see, and that is bad for cognitive load. So anyway, so what you'll do is on this home page right here, if you scroll down all the way over here on the right, below your components, there's a configure button. Okay, and that allows you to choose your correct answers. Object 1 drags to caption 1. Object 2, so you can see where those go. So pretty easy. So there's your correct answer configuration. You can also decide how many attempts you're going to let them have. Okay, so but that's pretty much it. I think there may have been a couple of design options, maybe. No, there's not. I was thinking you could control vertical or horizontal, whatever. But anyway, so there you go. I hope that works for you. Oh, one thing before I leave, you can, when you click on this block right here, you can actually change the images that go on there, but you can also decide whether or not you want images, text, okay, or text and images. So that can be good for you as well. Okay, see you in the next video.